Okay, so there are a few ways to go about recording your commentary for this commentary project. One of the ways that you can do it is just opening up your video clip, having it open here, and then when you open up QuickTime Player on the top in the menu bar, you can have File, and then you can do New Audio Recording. And from here, you can just record your audio, you play your video, and just provide your commentary. From there, once you start recording, it's automatically going to generate a file, and then when you stop, your file will be here, and you can save that file and have that be your commentary, and you can bring that and import that into Final Cut Pro. I do have a couple of USB microphones that you can plug into the computer, and it can record your audio better. You just need to ask me for one of those microphones, and I can hook that up for you. So that's one way you can go about doing your audio. All of the Macs also have a microphone built in, so you just use the built-in microphones. You just need to make sure if you are using any of the equipment in the classroom, you just need to make sure that the classroom is quiet so it picks up only your audio. If you are not comfortable with using the microphones that we have in the studio in the classroom with people around, you can, if you have an iPhone, in the Voice Memos app, you can record your audio and record your audio in your Voice Memos app. So it would be similar to using a microphone hooked up. You would have your video being played, and then you would just speak into the microphone onto your phone and provide your commentary through there. And then once you are done, you just stop recording. And then you would just need to airdrop your voice recording to your iMac, and from there you can then import it into Final Cut Pro as well. So those are your two options for recording your video, recording your audio for your sports commentary project. There is a third way as well, that if you are interested in using the podcast studio space where it's quiet and you're private, then you can as well use that as well. You just need to talk to me about coming to me and asking for that, and I can have one of the interns show you the space to help you record your audio for your commentary project. Okay, so in Final Cut, once you have your final video and you have your commentary, now you just need to bring your clip down into Final Cut. So you want your video piece to be the main part of the timeline, and then you would want your commentary to be underneath your audio. So then, to Podolski with the shot. So from there, that's when you would want, then you just gotta make sure your audio lines up. To Podolski with the shot. Buffon with just to make sure it lines up and then it's cohesive. With the shot. Buffon with the save. Huge save. Podolski makes a great connection here. Every video is equal to the shot. You bring it in Final Cut. Beautiful. Picks it up. Commentary. About 25 yards out. And he shoots. Export it. Save by Lehman. And then it's on for a corner kick from there. So from straight I'm just shoots. Save by Lehman. And then it's on for a corner kick. Making sure it lines up. Straightforward shot. Del Piero with Donsu in the corner. It's in. Cleared by Germany, but it's up to Pirlo at the top of the box. He finds Gross.